Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve keyboard hanging problem on vivo mobile. Friends, you have your keyboard hanging problem. Friends, you are not operating your keyboard comfortable. So how to fix keyboard hanging problem in this video friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to solve keyboard hanging problem. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type setting, this type interface and this type setting. So friends, click on vivo phone app setting. After on app setting friends, click on see all app and friends scroll it and friends find your gboard setting, gboard gboard setting. Friends, click on gboard and friends click on storage setting. Then first click on clear cache and then friends click on clear storage and delete it. So friends, now come back. Friends, now you can use your keyboard and guess your keyboard setting will default. As you can see, I have green theme. Friends, now keyboard default theme I have. And friends, now we can set any theme. Again friends, you want to set any theme, so you can select and you can set from here. So guys, your keyboard hanging problem will solve and friends, you can use your keyboard without any hanging problem. So friends, you can use your keyboard without any hanging problem. So I hope friends you understood how to solve keyboard hanging problem and how to use keyboard setting. Friends, you want to set anything, friends you want to set any language, friends you don't want to use your voice tapping, and friends you want to on voice tapping. So guys, click here and friends you can off voice tapping from here, you can on from here. So friends, you can fix your keyboard hanging problem and you can solve your keyboard hanging problem on your vivo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.